In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a checklist using Trello in N8n, step by step, so you can connect your workflow quickly and pull the exact checklist data you need. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple N8n tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. First, open the workflow you want inside N8n. Make sure you're in the correct automation so you can add the Trello action to the right place. Once your workflow is open, go to the Nodes panel and search for Trello. Select the Trello node from the list so you can start working with your Trello account. After that, choose Get a Checklist from the available actions. This is the option that lets N8n retrieve checklist information from Trello. Next, choose the credential you want to use. This tells N8n which Trello account should be connected for this operation, so make sure you pick the correct one. Then configure what to get. Set the details for the checklist you want to pull, and make sure the values match the data you need in your workflow. Once everything is configured, your Trello checklist is ready to be used inside N8n, and that's it. You now know how to get a checklist using Trello in N8n. If this tutorial was useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick workflow guides.